Hi, it's me again with Corel Draw Tips and Tricks, part 2 of this. Thankfully, somebody commented on the video and said I calculated my numbers wrong because we took this and we welded it together and we went to Windows, Dockers, and Properties. We got up to 2.98. But when we entered these separately, and one thing I think I did, this line is actually longer than the other line. So I took all 5 of the, and if you look, there's 5 of them. It's a shame we can't just do that, but it doesn't work. Anyway, so I took the calculator and I 1.917 hit enter or plus. That's what I think I missed. I did not put a plus sign between the numbers at one time. 3.817. So we're at, and I didn't round up a couple of these, so we're at 1297.7, which is 1298. So you can individually do them, or you could have it welded together. That would save you a lot of time. And just to make a little bit, the video a little bit better, I was using text editor to put these in so I could, once I got the calculator, I'd go up to text editor and add my numbers. And the other thing is I use the properties docker a lot, and I've never thought about having a hotkey, but if we go to Windows Docker, in the object is alternate enter. So all I have to do in the future is go alternate enter and my properties docker will come up. That might be a little bit hard. And we already use P for center of the page, but since this is the property docker, let's just go ahead and do this. Let's go tools, options, customization, and let's go to commands, and let's go to, you know what? I wonder if it'll find it like this. Go to Windows. A lot of times you can go through this. My computer's locked up a little bit. There it is. So let's go Windows Docker Properties. I need to get a new laptop. Look at that. There's your property docker, so you'll know which one it is. And then go to shortcut keys. And there's the alternate enter. Let's try alternate P. Currently signed to nothing. So let's assign it and then say okay. So the next time I need the Docker open with properties, I can go alternate P. P for properties. Anyway, so that maybe hopefully made the video a little more helpful for some people. And I really thank that person for commenting. A lot of people would have just let it go by I didn't need to know that, but I did. Anyway, thank you for watching. Hope that helped.